Why is the Irish flute a traditional Irish instrument? Imagine walking into a lively Irish music session where the air is filled with joyful melodies and rhythmic reels. One instrument often steals the spotlight with its sweet, haunting sound. That's the Irish flute, a key part of Ireland's musical heritage. But why has it become so closely linked to Irish culture and arts? Well, the story begins in the early 19th century when the Irish flute started to take shape from older wooden flutes used in classical music. These simple system flutes had 6-finger holes and a conical bore, making them easy to play and versatile. Irish musicians loved these qualities and began to adapt them for their traditional tunes. Many of these flutes were made by English manufacturers, known for their rich, full sound. Musicians in Ireland embraced these instruments and started to develop a unique style of playing that suited Irish folk music perfectly. Over time, the Irish flute became a staple in local music sessions, especially in regions like Leitrim, Sligo, Roscommon, and Clare. These areas helped shape the distinct tone and ornamentation that make Irish flute music so recognizable today. The wooden construction of the Irish flute gives it a warm, reedy sound that's darker than the shiny silver or nickel concert flutes often heard in classical music. This darker tone complements the lively jigs, slow airs, and reels played in traditional Irish music. Its simple design, with 6 holes and sometimes keys, allows players to add ornamentation and phrasing that are characteristic of Irish flute playing. Key figures like Charles Nicholson improved the design of the flute in the early 1800s, making it more responsive and easier to play. His work helped shape what we now call the Irish flute. Even today, modern makers produce these instruments based on historic designs, but tailored for contemporary players. The Irish flute's role extends beyond just music. It's a social symbol, often heard in informal gatherings where people celebrate Irish heritage through song and dance. When travelers visit Ireland and hear the Irish flute in local music sessions, they get a real taste of Ireland's cultural identity. Its distinctive sound and history make it more than just an instrument. It's a living part of Ireland's traditional arts. That's why the Irish flute is considered a true emblem of Irish culture and arts, connecting past and present through music.